Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and yet delicious beef spicy gravy. This type of beef is extremely popular in Kerala. You can serve this with Indian breads as well as with rice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. Here I've got 1 kilo of beef cubes. To this I've added a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix and keep it for 10 minutes. Then rinse and add it to a pressure cooker. To this I'm adding a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, give all these a nice mix. Add a cup of water, cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or keep for 7 to 8 whistles, depends on the meat. Now let's check the meat. It's cooked well, nice and soft. Set it aside. Heat up 3 tablespoons of coconut oil over a low to medium heat. I'm adding half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 5 cloves, a small piece of stone flower and 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and cumin seeds, 2 fresh red chilies and a few curry leaves. Fry this for 30 seconds. This is 200 grams of shallots. Fry this for a minute. Two onions finely sliced. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt for the onion to cook fast. Now in this stage, add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry this well. One tomato, cook this until it's soft and mushy. Tomato is nice and soft, no trace of it. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Give a mix. Add little stock and cook this for 5 minutes. Spices are cooked well. Now add the boiled beef with the stock. This is 400 grams of potato. Add a cup of water. Cook this for 10 minutes on a medium heat. It's been cooking for 10 minutes. Potatoes are done. I'm adding half a teaspoon of each cumin powder, black pepper powder and garam masala powder. Give a mix. Add a cup of thick coconut milk. Once you add coconut milk, do not leave it on the stove for a long time. Just simmer it for a minute and turn off the flame. For extra flavor, add some coriander and curry leaves. It's been simmering for a minute. Turn off the flame. Spicy beef gravy is done. Serve hot with rice or roti and enjoy. Do give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.